Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to swap faces. I mean, you have two different pictures, but you're able to swap one face to another. Like basically, you can swap your face into celebrity's body. Like basically, I can swap my face into Elon Musk's body. I mean, that wouldn't fit properly because it's extremely taller than me. But I mean, it's work. Get the idea of what I'm trying to explain to you here. Yeah. So before we begin, I want to say this. This video is for educational purposes only. So don't use it for any ill intent, don't use it to harm anyone, don't use it to scam or steal from anyone, alright? It's basically for educational purposes only and just for fun. If you're new here, I make easy to follow tutorial, and just recently I started making videos about my tech journey. So I started learning a new tech skill recently, and I'm updating this journey on this channel step by step, the challenges and every other thing that I've encountered, and I'm making videos for that on the channel. So if you want to think into that direction and jump into tech, then here is opportunity for you to follow up my step, and probably we can just do this whole thing together. All right, so if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video and drop a comment in the comment section below. If possible, you can also share this video for your loved ones or anyone who you think could be interested in this video. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business.
So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to go to your browser. You can do this on the phone though. You can do this on the phone and you can do it on the laptop. So it depends on whichever device you're using, whichever one's going to still work. So you're going to go to your browser and you're going to type this website. Website name is this person does not exist. All right. So if randomly, what website does is that it gives you images of people that don't exist. It just generates random images of people that don't exist. So basically, you can just come here and select. If you want a female, you can just select female, change the age between now. So I want to select 19 to 25. Let's just use a white person. They want to refresh. If you click on refresh, it's going to count down from 3 to 2 and it's going to generate us a random person. This person does not exist. This isn't a real human being, alright? So when you get that, you just have to save. There's actually a free trial though, alright, which you can download. But if you download this one, it's going to come with the watermark. All right, but you can just basically just screen record it. All right, so just wait for the pictures to download. So when we're done downloading our picture, the next thing we need to do is I need to come to this website. It's a website here. It's called aifaceswap.io. All right, it's a free website. You don't even need to sign up to use it. So what we're going to do now is I want to come here, click on start fast start face swap. So basically, what you need to do at this end here is that you have two places. So you're going to drop your two images that you want to use. All right, like this is the face image that you want, and here is the original image. All right, so I can just click and drop or upload. All right, let me just pick an image that we'll be needing here. I think there's an image here that we'll be making use of. I downloaded the image, this one, so you can just drag it and drop it here. All right, this is the image I'll be using, so I need just to drag and drop. So once you drag and drop here, then here also you're going to drag and drop the face images that we downloaded earlier. So this is the one we downloaded. Let's make use of it. So we're going to click it. So when you do this, you're going to do is that you're going to click on start face swapping. All right. So when you click on start face swapping, I'm going to give it a few seconds. It all depends on the network. All right, and you're going to see that your face. If you look at it carefully, this image here that we have here, you're going to see that it's the image, this face swapped a little from the one that we had earlier. I don't know if you noticed, but like I don't know if you noticed, but if you notice that the face literally swapped from the one here that we downloaded and this other one, we can still go on this and try different faces. All right, so we can just find the face of a celebrity. Let's say Elon Musk's face. All right, so let's try Elon Musk's face and see how it turns out to be. Okay, let's try this. God, this. All right, let's make use of this. Let's see Elon Musk's face, then try to make use of it on this side. So maybe with that, it's going to come out more clear and better for you to see and understand, because it seems like the two female faces kind of complicating. So let's try this and see. As you can see, this is Elon Musk's face right here on the lady's body. It's kind of funny though. You get like so, but that was the idea of the whole thing. This is how this face swap works. All right, so basically you can use this to prank family and friends, and just just mess around it. All right, so that's that on this.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope that was interesting, it was helpful, and I hope it was educative. Yeah, basically, like I said, and I always say, this is for educational purposes only. All right, so don't use this for any ill intent. All right, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, also like this video. Also, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment in the comment section. If you have any challenge, drop it in the comment section below, and I will attend to you to the best of my knowledge. All right, so see you guys in the next